All right, guys, today I'll be doing another 10-minute drawing of another one of my favorite characters, Goku. If you see here on my iPad, 10 minutes is ready to go. So I'm gonna just place this here and I'm gonna hit the timer to start once I have my pencil in hand. And I wanna make sure I have the markers and everything set up so I don't gotta be searching around for anything while the timer is going. And once that timer is going, it's the pressure is on. All right, make sure the timer is in view. All right, guys. Let's go. 10. All right. Establish the placement of everything. All right, we are ready to go. All right. A lot of times, if you are trying this type of challenge, just make sure you put the pieces that you're sure of, just get it in place, because doing an exercise like this, sometimes you think you're gonna make it back to something to add some detail, and you never make it back. So just make sure you get all the pieces in. I think these need to be a bit smaller. And a character like Goku, you need to get these things in place or it is not gonna look like him. Okay, and one of my main missions of this whole thing is to try to get all the pieces in before 5 minutes. So this is a challenge in itself. It's a challenge because I'm throwing in all the muscles, not just the face. So a second, I'm just gonna have to go straight to the marker. I'm gonna take the chance and put the hands in. The last couple I did, I just did the head really. So now I wanted to challenge myself and do more of the body. So let's go. It's at 4 minutes. Time is going. Let's go. Straight to the marker. Now we're at 2 minutes. Time flies. Time flies when you're in the zone. Time flies when you are in the zone, guys. Let's go with the shorter ones. Only one way to tell if it turns out good. $144. This is when you just go for it. Goku been through some wars. Okay, we got 18 seconds left. All right, well, 10 minutes and 30 seconds. There you have it, guys. Let's get some of these wounds in there. There you have it, guys. My 10-minute Goku. Hope you guys enjoyed. Till next time, peace.